Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change and select the emotes in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So what you need to do first is tap the club and tap the locker room and go to this emotes and inventory option. So you can change and select the emote, or you can close, deselect and keep at least one emote to this inventory or selected emotes. You can use these emotes in the game to express yourself to your opponent, and also you can get these emotes and it's still locked. You can unlock emotes in events or in the store. And if you already play last season, you can get this founder emotes. You can get this from founders benefit pack. I made this video for the new player, also for the beginner, so you cannot get this founder yet. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.